How to get free shipping on Temu app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. If you want to get free shipping, Temu currently provides free standard shipping for most orders and free express shipping for orders over $129. So if you are on the US, you can simply explore the Temu application and then order your products and get the free shipping. However, if you are not getting free shipping in some of your orders, or if you're not getting free shipping at all, then there is also an exclusive offer of free shipping. To get that, you have to be a new user. So you want to create a new account and then you are going to get the exclusive free offer. If you are an existing user, you can create a new account and then get this offer. Here, as you can see, free standard shipping is available on all the items shipped from Temu. You will also get free express shipping on the items shipped from Temu over $129. You will also get a $5 credit or a $13 credit for late delivery. You have to know that Temu has free shipping thresholds only on orders shipped by Temu. These thresholds allows Temu to offer a wide range of items, including smaller and more convenient sizes, as well as prioritize environmental friendly shipping methods. And this is how you can get free shipping on the Temu app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.